A lawsuit of Ripple versus SEC is currently underway. Ripple, on the other hand, feels it will soon come to an end. Is this a viable strategy? And what does the case's famous star, Kevin O'Leary, have to say about it? To discover out, watch the video until the conclusion. But first, at the end of the month, we will give out $25 to one random subscriber to help them get started on their XRP journey. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on XRP. Greetings, XRP Army. As a result, according to Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse, the business is making substantial headway in its legal battle with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. Garlinghouse claimed in an interview with CNBC that he expected the problem, which mostly affects XRP, the world's seventh largest cryptocurrency, to be rectified by the end of the calendar year 2019. We're seeing really excellent progress despite the fact that the legal process is proceeding slowly, he said in an interview with CNBC's Dan Murphy. It is obvious that the judge is asking some excellent questions in this case. I believe the court understands that this case is about more than simply Ripple, and that the result will have far-reaching implications. He expressed optimism that the facility would be decommissioned by the end of the year, if not sooner. However, during the late 2017 and early 2018 cryptocurrency frenzy, when the prices of Bitcoin, Ether, and other cryptocurrencies reached new highs, the San Francisco-based company Ripple, which is well known for its technology and business strategy, attracted a significant amount of attention and funding. Do you think the case will be resolved soon? Please let us know in the comments section below. The XRP cryptocurrency, which is closely connected with Ripple, profited from the rise, reaching an all-time high of more than $3. Despite a dramatic dip from that level, it is still riding the latest crypto wave, having risen more than 370% year-to-date. Ripple's technology is used to transfer money. On-demand liquidity is another product offered by the company that uses XRP for cross-border payments and is made available to clients. The Securities and Exchange Commission has taken notice of XRP, a cryptocurrency created by Ripple, after it was uncovered that the business and its officials sold $1.3 billion in tokens in an unregistered securities offering. In contrast, Ripple believes that XRP should not be classified as a security, which would subject the cryptocurrency to significantly greater regulatory scrutiny. If you feel Ripple will win the case, please leave a comment with the phrase XRP Army. Global regulators are taking a closer look at cryptocurrency, which is still largely unregulated but has grown exponentially in the last year. When it comes to cryptocurrency legislation, Garlinghouse cites the UAE, Japan, Singapore, and Switzerland as examples of countries that have exhibited leadership, while China and India have taken a more conservative stance. According to the author, in general, the trend is quite encouraging, Garlinghouse added. Brady Dugan, former CEO of Credit Suisse, believes that regulation is a key issue with cryptocurrencies and that it will grow more essential as the sector evolves. It's a market in its early stages, Dugan, who now manages the fintech business Exos, told CNBC. I believe it is a robust market that will continue to develop positively. Every part of the SEC's operations is a blunder, and this is becoming increasingly obvious. Kevin O'Leary, best known as the host of the television show Shark Tank, has stated that he would prefer to discuss with the Securities and Exchange Commission rather than pursue legal action. As part of his new role as the cryptocurrency exchange's spokesperson, the billionaire investor referred to Ripple as a crypto cowboy. This was interpreted as a subtle dig at the Bitcoin behemoth. I have no desire to be a crypto cowboy and annoy anyone because I already have so many assets in the actual world in which I've invested that I must be compliant. He would confer with regulators rather than acting as a crypto cowboy to determine what is possible and what is not, and he does not appear to be eager in pursuing litigation over a quick resolution in this issue. I have no desire to invest in litigation against the SEC. That's a terrible concept. Are you in agreement with Kevin O'Leary? If so, then categorize it like this video. That isn't the end of the story. In addition, Coinbase announced that Brian Armstrong, the company's co-founder and CEO, as well as lead independent director Fred Wilson, will attend a J.P. Morgan event devoted solely to the cryptocurrency business on November 14th. In a recent North American equity research report, J.P. Morgan recognized Coinbase as a significant participant in the effort to expand XRP usage following Ripple's victory in the Securities and Exchange Commission lawsuit. If the company prevails in the SEC action and trading restarts on major cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase, XRP will see widespread acceptance. Much of the information concerning XRP is included in an unreleased JP Morgan research study. The paper specifically emphasizes that it has a competitive edge over the SWIFT system. Transactions using Ripple's XRP can be executed in less than 3 to 5 seconds, and transaction fees can be as low as 0.01 XRP. This is in sharp contrast to traditional money transfers, which are typically expensive and can take up to 5 business days to complete. A large number of intermediary banks involved, each of which imposes a fee for both the sender and the recipient, has resulted in a considerable increase in the cost of SWIFT transfers. According to JP Morgan Analysts, another advantage of XRP over stablecoins is that it is not tied to any underlying currency. Unlike stablecoins, which follow the volatility of the underlying currency to which they are tied. The role of XRP as a bridge asset in international settlement does not compete with stablecoins, but rather complements them. When it comes to the SEC v. Ripple case, the Howie Test is frequently viewed as the most crucial factor to consider. Judge Sarah Netburn must conclude that all 4 of the aforementioned conditions are met for the SEC to win the litigation. If she determines that 1 or more points are not met, Ripple will win the suit. All of this information may be factored into the price. For the time being, XRP is consolidating above the critical support level of $1. The market has slowed since the beginning of the year, and the volatility of the XRP cryptocurrency has been fairly low in recent weeks. Following last week's huge market loss, this is a welcome respite from the current upheaval. The critical resistance level of $1.20 has remained in place and is unlikely to be tested anytime soon, given that XRP's price movement suggests some uncertainty about the cryptocurrency's future course. Regardless of the circumstances, big things are undoubtedly in store for XRP. The volume is low and steadily decreasing. This is frequently followed by volatility, which may reappear in the near future as the price determines where it wants to go next. This could indicate that there is a favorable market split and that XRP wishes to rise. What are your thoughts on the SEC case? Do you believe Ripple will triumph? Please let us know in the comments. If you want to learn more about XRP, we have 2 videos waiting for you at the bottom of the page. Please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch. Look forwards to seeing you in the future video. Please keep in mind that cryptocurrency prices change rapidly, so by the time you see this video, it may have changed to a completely different value. This video's material does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other type of advice, and you should not treat it as such. The information in this video is provided solely for educational purposes and should not be construed as financial advice. Before making any investing decisions, do your homework and consult with a financial expert.